Hey, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Read&Write for Google. The district has pushed out this little purple puzzle piece with RW in it. When you hover over it, it says Read&Write for Google Chrome, has access to this site. When you click on that, a little toolbar will show up either at the top or the bottom. Right now it's at the bottom for me. And I've just pulled up a Wikipedia site here just to kind of show you. And I'm going to highlight the word weather to get it started. You just push the play button just like you would on a recorder. And when you push play.
Weather. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Jump to navigation, jump to search. This article is about the atmospheric process.
Now you have to
geological process.
You have to be careful because it reads virtually every little thing. So depending on the site, what you might want to do, like in this case, is copy it, put into a Google Doc, and then have the kids read from there. But it just demonstrates for you how it does it. If you don't want to have this passage read to you anymore, you click the little X and it all goes away. So that is a quick tutorial on how to use Google Read&Write to read text to children.